Turn on the camera and then turn on the STF-8 flash by pressing the power button located on the back of the flash unit. In order to use the flash, press OK to access the Super Control panel and choose Flash Mode and press OK. From this menu, you can choose the flash mode that's most suitable for your current shooting preferences. When the flash is in TTL mode, you can adjust the power of the flash by pressing OK and choosing Flash Compensation in the Super Control panel. Then press OK and adjust with the left or right arrows. On the flash, the right dial will be redundant in TTL mode, but when the left dial is shifted into manual power, the right dial becomes the output distribution control, telling the flash how much power to send to each head individually.